Kingston College will have two teams playing at the National Stadium next Friday after their Issa Urban Era Under-16 team joined their Manning Cup schoolmates by reaching the final of that competition following a 1-0 win over Jamaica College at Excelsior. The all-important goal for KC came in the 9th minute from Shavar Tracy as both teams ended with 10 players.
My players, they had something in mind. They said they wanted to be in the play on the day where the Manning Cup finals will be played, and that was their motivation in winning this game.
Meanwhile, the under-14 semi-final between the same two sides had to go to a penalty shootout, with JC eventually prevailing 4-3 after a 2-all regulation and extra time scoreline. KC will play St. George's College in the under-16 final, which will serve as a curtain raiser for the Manning Cup decider after the Light Blues beat Woolmer's Boys 2-0. The under-14 final will see JC opposing Woolmer's Boys after the Heroes Circle-based outfit had a 2-1 win over St. George's College in their semi-final.